Dear students, welcome to the class of Physical Pharmaceutic First. Here we will discuss about solubility and solution. What are the learning objectives of solubility and solution? After completion of this topic, the student should be able to understand the terms of solubility, solubility of substances in solutions, and various types of solutions. What is solubility? We take a spoon of salt and dissolve it in water. We see that it quickly dissolves. Next, we take a spoon of chalk powder and dissolve it in water. We observe that only a small amount will be dissolved. So, solubility of a substance in its maximum amount that can be dissolved in a given quantity of solvent. Solubility is the ability of one substance that is solute to fully dissolve in another substance that is solvent under a specified condition. What is solute? Solute is the dissolved agent which contains less part of the solution. What is solvent? Solvent is the component in which the solute is dissolved, which contain more part of the solution. So, solubility can be defined in a quantitative way. It is the concentration of solute in a saturated solution at a certain temperature. Solubility can be defined in a qualitative way. It is the spontaneous interaction of two or more substances, that is solute and solvent, to form a homogeneous molecular dispersion. Coming to our next part, solution. What is solution? Solution is a mixture of two or more components that form a homogeneous mixture. We will dissolve any substances. Say in this case, if we dissolve sugar in water, it forms a mixture of sugar and water. So, the substance we are dissolving called as a solute, and liquid in which we are dissolving called as a solvent, and the final mixture of solute and solvent is known as solution. Next, which are the different types of solutions? Now we take a glass of water and we add 1 spoon of sugar to it. We stir it. We see the glass of water dissolve the sugar. We take another spoon of sugar and add to this glass of water. We will see that might be dissolved. We will keep dissolving sugar in a glass of water. We will reach the stage that sugar cannot be dissolved in water. Now sugar settles at the bottom. So what is happening is we getting two types of solutions. We define a solution as saturated solution and unsaturated solution. What is saturated solution? Solution in which no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent. What is unsaturated solution? Unsaturated solution is one containing the dissolved solute in a concentration below that necessary for the complete saturation at a definite temperature. Next, we take this saturated solution, warm it. It is observed that solvent can be dissolved more. more of the solute particles. We called as a supersaturated solution. What is supersaturated solution? Supersaturated solution contains more of the dissolved solute than it would normally contain in a saturated state at a definite temperature. Thank you.